gonna put our, by the way, I used 2 portions of the pata or the pork legs. So I make the ingredients double. So right now, instead of half cup of soy sauce, I'm gonna put 1 cup. And a tablespoon of sesame oil. And then our brown sugar, half cup as well. I mean, a cup. And then you can use cherry cooking wine or red wine. Put it all together. Okay, so guys, you can put it on the super broth and then cook it for 15 minutes without cover. Okay? So after the 15 minutes, timer is up. So next one, you put the shiitake mushroom. So this is shiitake mushroom. This is the dried one. So I soak it for more than 3 hours, guys, para malambot. Okay? I don't know if you understand it, but it's soft. And then the beef cubes. I have 2 here. And our star anise. Usually, I will put 4 pieces, but now that I'm doing like 2 parts, I will put 6 only. Mix it together. And then boil it again for another 30 minutes. So it's time for us to put our cornstarch. It's 1 tablespoon. I mean 1.5 tablespoon. I have 2. And you mix it with 1 cup of water. And then you pour it. Now all you have to do is just continue cooking. Hang on a second. Right? So you wait until you reach the thickness that you want. For me, I want it like a little bit thick because it tastes better. I don't know. It's up to you guys. So you'll probably wait up to 5 minutes. And then after that, we are gonna put our bok choy and the young corn, and then it's ready to serve. So we'll wait for another 5 minutes. Now look at, guys, this is the thickness that I want. I don't want like very thick, but this is fine with me. So it's up to you. You can cook it more if you want it like thicker. Now I'm gonna put our young corn. Young corn in there. And our bok choy. It's up to you how many or how much bok choy you want to put, but I'm gonna feed the battalion in this house today, so there's lots. And then we'll wait for another 5 minutes, and it should be ready, and we're ready to eat. Ready to eat, guys. Let's go. And my guess, how is it, Hug?
This is my favorite Filipino meal.
You like it?
Delicious. Masarap.